Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will print 1 to 10 using do while loop statement in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So to print 1 to 10 using do while loop statement in C++, we will start with sharp include IO string. This library file used primarily for input output in C++. Sorry class, guys. So let us save now our work first. Print 1 to 10 in using do while in C++. Do while statement. Okay, so let's see example, print 1 underscore to underscore 10 point cpp. Cpp means C++. Okay, so next we have here declaration of variable a equals 0 and main begin a equals 1 do steady colon console out space a space a plus plus, and then here we have here while a less than or equal to 10 semicolon, and then here we have a title console, a new line first, std colon console out slash t print 1 to 10 using do while statement in C++, semicolon. Okay, new line, and then here let's copy this one and then paste. In this portion we will just replace the content with end of program. Okay, so let us compile and run to see the result. Okay, so we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, up to 10. We can make some adjustment here. Copy this one, alignment, horizontal tab, compile and run. So here we go, no? So print 1 to 10 using dual statement in C++. So we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and the program. Okay, so we got a perfect output, no? So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to print 1 to 10 using do while statement in C++ programming language, guys. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial on print 1 to 10 using do while statement in C++. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. Again, bye bye for now. Thank you so much, guys.